All persons performing work on construction sites, including project supervisors and coordinators, are required to check in with the government on the worksite before they begin working. Check-in is performed using the Check-in at Work system. It was designed to improve safety on the work floor, but also offers numerous additional benefits. How does it work? The contractor registers the works in advance in the online works registration service on the Social Insurance Portal website. During this process, the contractor receives a worksite number. The contractor will need this number to perform the check-in at work procedure. The contractor is responsible for registering the works and for checking people in and out. However, the person who actually performs the check-in in practice can be determined in mutual consultation. Contractors who entrust check-in to employees or subcontractors must in fact provide a check-in system. Check-in can be performed remotely or on the worksite. 4 check-in channels are available. In order to use these, the contractor must have secure access to the Social Insurance Portal site. All of these channels are user-friendly and, where possible, retrieve data automatically from the existing databases. This provides for quick and easy check-in. The online service via desktop. With the online service via desktop, you check employees in using a web application on the Social Insurance Portal. The online service via desktop remembers data saved previously. As soon as employees are checked in, they appear in lists by worksite and their data can be quickly reused. Check-ins can be viewed at a single glance. For this reason, this channel is a good choice if you want to check in your own employees in a group before starting work from your company headquarters. You do not have to develop anything in order to use this channel. A PC and secure access to the Social Insurance Portal site will suffice. The mobile online service. Convenient for checking in last-minute personnel. From the online works registration service, the contractor can print out a poster. The contractor must post this in a visible location at the entrance to the worksite. The poster shows a personalized QR code. An employee can check him or herself in quickly and easily by scanning this code with a smartphone or tablet with an internet connection. First, the employee must in fact request a username and password online. For this, the employee needs his or her electronic ID. The gateway. This is a centralized computer at the entrance to the worksite where on arrival, employees can take turns checking in using their EID, Belgian National Registry Number or Limosa number. The registering contractor or one of its employees must configure the worksite once in the online service when the gateway is started up. It may be a good idea to install a gateway at the worksite if you often use independent subcontractors who are not present on the worksite for long periods at a time, or whose presence is difficult to predict. With a gateway installation, employees or independent subcontractors connect in order to check themselves in using the gateway. The fourth option is the web service. The Check-in at Work web service can communicate with your existing check-in system to check into or out of the worksite. Connect Check-in at Work with your planning system, track and trace or your own check-in system. To use the web service, you must invest in additional development of your system. Once this has been done, the web service provides extremely simple check-in. In sum, out of the various channels, the contractor and any subcontractors can select the channel that best fits their work organisation. They can also combine the use of different channels at different work sites or on one and at the same work site. The contractor that makes the registration can handle check-in itself for all employees working within framework of its contract. The contractor can also specify the organisation of the check-in system in the contracts with its subcontractors. In turn, these subcontractors may specify the check-in system in the contracts with their subcontractors. Each company or employer determines the check-in procedure in consultation with their employees. The responsibilities of each party are determined by the system of organisation specified. Example: you are the main contractor and have concluded a contract with a subcontractor for the construction of office towers. During the worksite planning phase, you integrated the Check-in at Work web service into your IT system for checking in your own personnel. Because the worksite only has a single access point, you install a gateway computer in the central worksite hut. This way, you provide independent subcontractors with an option for checking themselves in. You agree with other subcontractors that they will use their own check-in channel for their personnel. Consult the Check-in at Work online service to view the various check-in options. Check-in at Work, a fair and safe way to work. For further information, please visit checkinatwork.be.